it means you update some changes. But they may not like when you see a global variable. I want to use programs to say, you know what, if I'm step on anyone's toes, I'm doing it. Go-to statements, I don't care. People have a real problem with go-to statements. You think, well, you know that jump variable in assembler? That's a go-to statement. You know that breakout of a loop in Python? It's another go-to statement because you're ending a condition like root. So there are far too many people who get so hung up on it. Right guys, sorry to break up your fun, but it's back to the meeting room. Focusing on the more sort of narrow subset of some of the stuff that you can get more so it's fine to it takes a lot to think, I've been doing this like Sheridan who's taking the other school that turned up to yeah. We've been doing this since, well, he's been doing it since 2007, I've been doing it since 2004. So I'm 9 years into this education program. And I've seen it change and evolve. And the new girl who's running its store, really dynamic, really able to think of new ideas, and is more willing to talk to us and be here. She's kind of this mind fixed and stuff, so something like that. But even so, it's still delivering. What you see here is the in this thing. The stuff has changed. I don't do punch cards anymore. We've got the bomb gallery and the animal galleries to show. But by looking at the curriculum and saying, right, if we narrow the focus and say programming,
Water Park has no shortage of smiles. Sitting alongside Interstate 15 and overlooking America's favorite highway of adventure, Lake Dolores Resort is capitalizing on the growth of communities and commerce springing up along the Los Angeles to Las Vegas route. The all-new Lake Dolores Resort and colorful red, white, and blue water slides of the Rockahula Water Park are a striking vision for the 61 million annual travelers. In addition to Rockahula's exciting water slides, its arcade, picnic area, and other amenities, the resort's 31-acre lake provides excellent space for all manner of sporting events, including jet ski and water ski competition, fishing tournaments, beach volleyball, and more. Perfect for off-road racing and a wide variety of outdoor activities, Lake Dolores Resort occupies over 270 acres. Future plans for the resort include a hotel, a 36-hole golf course, an amphitheater, an eclectic food court, a wave pool, and development of Fun Island, complete with miniature golf, go-karts, and a concert stage. Lake Dolores Resort is proud to offer premier facilities for family entertainment and fun, bringing the world's first water park into the 21st century.